Hi, I'm Hal Rubenstein. I'm Global Style Director for Gabriel & Company. Look how pretty this is. Look how beautiful this simple diamond spear is. I think this is so pretty that if you put this on, you might never want to take this off, which is why we've come up with an incredibly novel and ridiculously simple concept of fine jewelry every day. Wear something amazing, you'll feel amazing. And by the time we're finished showing you all this jewelry, talking about modern jewelry, and the clothes that you can wear with it and how it's all going to look, I don't think you can have any reason to disagree with us. Fine jewelry every day, you're going to come to us at Gabriel. It's always best to prove by example. So, Exhibit A, Annalise. We're going to show in 3 different looks using this everyday jewelry and to show you how strong an impression it can make without overpowering you and how easily and comfortable you can feel wearing this. In Berna's great diamond microset earrings, flexible bracelets, simple, pure beauty that's a great comfort to wear. And the stackable rings, without any weight, without any bulk. Look at the way she looks. This is irresistible for both the person who's looking at her and also for the person who walks out the door, because you dress like this, you've got to feel special every day because you're wearing something incomparable. Here's the magic of fine jewelry every day. That jersey dress, perfect for work, and now rocking on the town. The great thing about this is that look at all the individual pieces. The earring, the ring, the bracelet, the necklace. Everything is so organic, so easy. Look at the beauty, how that ring curves against the finger. Wait, it's almost like her finger just decided to sparkle all by itself. These earrings that I showed you before, diminutive, small, but they gleam and they glisten and they don't overtake her, so all you notice is how beautiful Annalise is. This may be my favorite part, my ultimate coup. It doesn't get more casual than this. A pullover sweater and jeans, and yet Annalise is wearing the exact same jewelry she wore in that burgundy dress for the night on the town, the snowflake necklace, the gorgeous short diamond hoops, the silver cuff, and the organic ring. Fine jewelry every day goes everywhere because everywhere should be special. Every day should be special, and you should feel special every time you go out there. And you can with our fine everyday jewelry from Gabriel & Company.